Welcome, my dear children, to the third section of Chapter 13 Manufacturing Industries. Today, we will be discussing about mineral based industries and the maps related with this section. We will start with mineral based industries. For this, please come to page number 106 of your textbook. Mineral based industries. In the previous section, we have discussed about agro based industries. Today, moving to mineral based industries. What do you mean by mineral based industries? Industries where minerals are used as raw materials is known as mineral based industries. For example, iron and steel industry, aluminium industry, copper industry, chemical industry, fertilizer industry, cementing industry, means of transportation and electrical goods, etc., are some examples of mineral based industries. Now come to the first one, that is iron and steel industry. What do you mean by iron and steel industry? Iron and steel industry is the most important industry of the modern world, or you can say iron is one of the most important mineral of the modern world. That is why iron and steel is the base of modern industries and economic development. Otherwise, it is known as the key industry. Iron and steel industry is also known as key industry. From the very old time, the process of making iron that technology was very much familiar to ancient India. You know, during older times, people of Damascus, they used to come to India for purchasing iron for making swords. Today, India ranks 5th in the world in iron and steel production. You know, some of the factories which we started in India when the British people were there in our country. You know, the first factory in India to produce iron was established at Porto Novo in Tamilnadu. However, this was closed due to some reasons. In 1874, India's first blast furnace was established at Kulti in West Bengal for making iron ore. In 1907, Jamshedji Tata, he started the first factory at Jamshedpur called the Tata Iron and Steel Company called TISCO, T-I-S-C-O, TISCO. They started the production, large scale production of iron and steel in our country for the first time. Factories were established at a different part of our country after that. That is, large scale factories for iron and steel production was established at Burnpur and Durgapur in West Bengal, Bhadravati in Karnataka, Bhilai, Roorkela, Bokaro, Visakhapatnam and Salem in Tamil Nadu. A mini steel plant has been found near Hajira in Gujarat. Iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese, they are used as the raw material for the production of iron and steel. The administration of all iron and steel factories except Tata is done by Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL, S-A-I-L. Why except Tata bola मैंने? Administration of all the iron and steel factories of India are under the control of SAIL, but Tata is having some exemption. What is the reason for that? After independence, Government of India had given the liberation because for the first time such a big industry started in our country. So they have given, Tata has got this opportunity, that this exception has given by Government of India. Rest all the companies, iron and steel companies, are under the control of SAIL. See, come to this map, iron and steel industry, major places where iron and steel factories are located in our country, starting from Bokaro. See, you can see Bokaro, Durgapur, Burnpur, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Roorkela. They all in the West Bengal side we are having Burnpur and Durgapur. Then we are having in Jharkhand we are having Bokaro and Jamshedpur. Coming to Odisha we are having Roorkela. Then in Chhattisgarh we are having Bhilai steel plant. Then we can see in Visakhapatnam. Then in Tamil Nadu you will be able to see Salem. Then in Karnataka you will be able to see Vijayanagar Steel, Jindal Vijayanagar JVSL and Bhadravati. Then in Gujarat you will be able to see Hazira iron and steel factory. So please study this for map marking for the examination. Now let's move to aluminium refining industry. Aluminium refining industry, as you know, page number 108, first heading, aluminium refining industry. After iron and steel industry, aluminium refining is another important industry in our country. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite ore. Please underline, aluminium is extracted from bauxite ore. What are the specialities of aluminium? It is light in weight, strong, malleable, smooth conductor of electricity and rust proof. Other minerals are also added to aluminium to improve its properties. Aluminium is used in making cars, trains, aeroplanes and machines. About 40 to 50% cost of producing aluminium goes in electricity. So, aluminium refinery is set up at such places where bauxite and hydroelectricity is available easily. Give reason why aluminium refinery is set up at places near to hydroelectric projects. What is the reason? Because 40 to 50% of aluminium production, producing is going to electricity. That is the reason why. Where will you find the places or the factories producing aluminium are located in India? In India, we are having it in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. This map I have made it clear for you the places in India where aluminium is produced. Moving to copper refining industry. Copper has many important properties such as good conductor of electricity, can be mixed with other minerals easily. Hence, it is a very useful metal for mankind. Copper is used in electrical industry in making refrigerator, air conditioners, automobiles, radiators, domestic utensils, etc. The first copper refining unit in India was set up by Indian Copper Corporation (ICC) at Ghatsila in Jharkhand. In 1972, ICC was handed over to Hindustan Copper Limited, that is HCL. Today, copper is produced by private sectors also, even though we are not able to meet our demands, and so we have to import copper. At present, copper is produced at only two centers in our country. For example, which one? One is located at Ghatsila in Jharkhand, and other one is Khetri in Rajasthan. The smelter at Ghatsila receives copper ore from Mosabani, Rakha, Tampara and Turamti displaces. See, copper now its availability is commonly it is found in places like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, at very few deposits we are having. You know the country which is the largest producer of copper in the world? that is Chile. Second number is Peru and third number is China. You know what is the rank of India in copper production? Any idea? India ranks 30th position. That is, we are having very less collection of copper in our country. Which state is the largest producer of copper in India? For that, it is the maximum producer or the largest producer of copper is in India is Madhya Pradesh, and followed by Karnataka, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. In the year 2002-2003, the state produced 56.86% of total copper production of the world. Coming to chemical industry, the position of chemical industry in India is very important because chemicals are of two types, that is organic and inorganic chemicals that you have studied in your science section. Petrochemicals is the main organic chemical industry. It is used in artificial fibers, artificial rubber, plastic goods, color chemicals and in medicines. Organic chemical industry is founded near oil refineries and petrochemical centers. India has an important position in the world in the insecticide industry. Gujarat leads in the country in chemical industry. Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, etc. are the main centers of chemical industry. This map will give you a clear idea about the main chemical industries located in our country. Now, chemical fertilizer industry. Chemical fertilizer, the first chemical fertilizer factory of India was established in 1906 at Ranipet in Tamil Nadu. The development of chemical industry started when Fertilizer Corporation of India, FCI, started its factory at Sindri. Chemical industry is highly concentrated in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, UP, Punjab and Kerala. In Gujarat, the factories producing chemical fertilizers are located at Kalol, Kandla, Hazira, Bharuch, Vadodara, etc. This map will show you chemical fertilizer industries located in our country. Moving to plastic industry, there are practically countless applications of plastics. So, there is a constant rise in demand of raw materials for plastic, and we are trying our level best to reduce the use of plastic also, because it is polluting our nature, that we will study in the next topic. Plastic is waterproof and can fit into any mold. That is a speciality of plastic. Due to such a wide use and excellent properties of plastic, plastic industry is also known as sunrise industry. It is used in packing chemicals, textiles, building construction, vehicle manufacturing, electronics, etc., etc., which are the major centers producing plastic in our country. In our country, we are having main plastic manufacturing centers at Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Vadodara, Vapi, Kanpur, Coimbatore and Chennai. See, plastic industry is known as sunrise industry. What is the reason for that? Why plastic industry is known as sunrise industry? Because of the wide use and excellent properties of plastic, plastic industry is also known as sunrise industries. Now, cement industry. Cement is the base material for construction of roads, dams, bridges, buildings, etc., etc. India ranks second after China in cement production. So, the leading one, who is the leading producer of cement in the world? China. Second is India. India produces about 6% of world cement production. Limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, clay, etc. are the raw material used for producing cement. The raw materials of cement and hence the cement are quite heavy in weight. So, the cement factories are located where the raw materials is available easily and in abundance. Gujarat cement industry has developed quite well. In this map, you will be able to see the some cement manufacturing places of our country. For example, our cement manufacturing places, the southern states in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, you can see the maximum cement manufacturing centers. Now moving to the worksheet related with today's section. For that, please come to page number 110 of our textbook. Page 110 of our textbook, section 1. Answer the following questions in detail. There, question number 2 is remaining. Rest all the questions we completed in the previous 2 lectures of question number 2. Write short note on iron and steel industry of India. For that, please come to page number 106 of our textbook. Page 106 of our textbook, last heading iron and steel industry, 2 paragraph, and in page number 107, 1 paragraph, 4 lines are there. Please, you can use that for your reference, or in my today's video, come to clip number 3 and 4, both that sections. You can, both are same in textbook as well as in this clip video, it is same. In my clip number 3 and 4 you can copy because it is written in point wise. Now moving to section 3. Section 2 we completed question number 2. Question 1 we will do in next class. Moving to section 3, write answer to the following question in brief. There you are having 2 questions. Question number 2, mention the raw materials for manufacturing cement. So for that, please come to page number 108 of our textbook. 108. Last heading, cement industry. Second line, limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, clay, etc. are the raw material for cement industry. Mark here, that's it. Question number 3, where are the centers of chemical industry located in Gujarat? Chemical industry located in Gujarat. For that, please same page 108. Under the heading chemical industry, last second line, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, etc. are the major centers of chemical industry in Gujarat. Hope it is clear for you. As I told you, map is having 1 mark in this chapter. For that we have to search all the nook and corner of this chapter. Today we will be marking the places in India where maximum production of any of this item is located. For example, first point we will be doing iron and steel industry. For that you can, all the questions you can use my map which I have given in this chapter. Okay. So you will be marking it in a map sheet and you will be marking with pencil with particular symbols, and you will be using index box also for marking the map. So hope you all are clear with this. with the next topic. We will see you in the next class, that is on 8th October. We will meet again with the next topic. Till then, complete the question answers, read the textbook, draw the map, write the main points. Till then, stay safe. Bye. Take care.